Hey everyone, I'm here to present to you about our research study with the title Need Assessment on Guidance and Counseling Services. This study is anchored on the CMO number 9 series of 2013, which mandates the higher educational institutions to offer student-centered services, and one of these services is the guidance and counseling services. According to LAL 2018, guidance and counseling plays an important role in preventing educational, personal, social, mental, emotional, and other similar problems among students. Given these ideas, it is important that schools should have a comprehensive guidance and counseling services. Thus, this study is conducted to identify the guidance and counseling services that the university will offer to cater the students' personal, social, and career needs. This study is significant since it will give a clearer view on the students' perspective on their needs on guidance and counseling services. Guidance and counseling services is defined as a way of assisting individuals to discern and improve their educational, occupational, and psychological potentialities for their optimum level of personal happiness and social usefulness. On the other hand, needs assessment is defined as a systematic process that gives information about social necessities or concerns in a place or a group of population and identify which concerns should be prioritized for action according to SMART 2019. If the needs of the students were addressed, then the notion of being afraid to go to the guidance office because you might be reprimanded can be eradicated. This study sought to answer the following question. What is the demographic profile of the participants? What is the level of importance of the guidance services? And what are the significant differences in the perception of the participants regarding the level of importance of guidance and counseling services when they were grouped according to their demographic profile? The participants of the study were the 1,206 first and second year students of one of the campuses of Cavite State University, but only 1,116 students had completed the survey questionnaire. The data were gathered at the Office of the Student Affairs. The study was limited to quantitative data on the needs assessment on guidance and counseling services. This study was conducted in the first quarter of 2019 in one of the campuses of Cavite State University. The researchers claimed that there are no significant difference in the perception of the participants regarding the importance of guidance and counseling services when they were grouped according to their demographic profile. This study used the descriptive method and needs assessment inventory comprised of the following: self-development, family relationship, social relationship, studies, personal and social issues, and spirituality, which was answered by the students using the 5-point Likert scale. As for the data gathering procedure, we have asked the permission of our campus dean and the coordinator of the Office of Student Affairs in order to conduct the study. For the statistical treatment, the researchers used the frequency count and relative frequency in order to determine the demographic profile of the participants. Mean and standard deviation was used to describe the level of importance of guidance and counseling services. T-test and F-test were used to determine the significant differences of guidance and counseling services when they were grouped according to their demographic profile. As for the result, in the figure 1, it shows that most of the participants were 17 to 19 years old. For the sex, most of the participants were female. For the academic program, most of the participants were information technology students. and some were hospitality management students. For the type of school they attended in high school, most of the participants came from public high school. And for the year level, most of the participants were first-year students since the implementation of K-12 program. And according to locality, most of the students or participants came from Cavite City. For the need assessment inventory, all of the aspects of guidance and counseling services were treated as very important by the participants. For the comparison of level of importance of guidance and counseling services, when the participants were grouped according to age, family relationship, social relationship, and spirituality were deemed significantly different when they were grouped according to age. As for the sex, it shows that family relationship, social relationship, studies, personal and social issues, and spirituality were significantly different when the participants were grouped according to sex. Also, self-development, family relationship, social relationship, studies, personal and social issues, and spirituality were significantly different according to academic program. Meanwhile, self-development, family relationship, social relationship, personal and social issues, and spirituality were significantly different when the participants are grouped according to year level. As for the conclusion, we concluded that most of the participants were adolescents, female, and majority of them were information technology students. And also, most of the participants were first-year students coming from public high schools and residing in Cavite City. With that, we recommended that guidance and counseling services that cater self-development, family relationship, social relationship, studies, personal and social issues, and spirituality should be given emphasis of the colleges and universities, for it may benefit the students not only in school but also in their future professional endeavor. We also concluded that the participants believed that it was very important for the university to have guidance and counseling services that caters different aspects. We have recommended to increase the level of importance of guidance and counseling services to the students. Programs and services that the university offers should be aligned with the needs of the students. We also concluded that there is a significant difference on the perception of the participants regarding the importance of guidance and counseling services when they were grouped according to sex, year level, age, and academic program. We have recommended that this factor should be considered in developing comprehensive guidance and counseling services. We have also recommended that open forums, one-on-one counseling, group and family counseling should also be considered as part of the activities of Guidance and Counseling Office. Behavior assessment and follow-ups are recommended for those students who have reported cases in Guidance and Counseling Office. Moreover, career assessment activities should also be conducted to prepare the students on their chosen field. Lastly, for those researchers that would do the same evaluation, we recommended that they may also include interviews with the students. To end my presentation, these are the references that we have used in this study. You may also consider this useful in your future researches. Thank you very much for listening.